The hearing of the Committee on Justice is hereby called to order. Considering that the hearing today is a continuation of the last suspended hearing, we will be dispensing with the calling of the roll of members. At this juncture, the Chair solicits the necessary motion to dispense with the reading of the minutes of the last hearing and for the approval of the same.
Madam Chair,
The Honorable Mika Gonzalez.
I move to dispense with the reading and approval of the minutes of the previous meeting.
There is a motion to dispense with the reading of the minutes of the last hearing and for the approval of the same. Do I hear a second?
Second.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is granted. The Chair will address the committee. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. As we resume these proceedings, there are three matters that I must address at the outset. Issues that have been repeatedly raised and in some cases, misunderstood. First, ang una kong babanggitin, this notion that we are already conducting a trial and therefore exceeding our jurisdiction. May mga nagsasabi na ang ginagawa daw natin dito ay isang trial. At dahil trial daw ito, hindi raw natin ito trabaho, kundi trabaho ng Senado. Let us clear the air once and for all. Malinaw ang pagkakaiba ng tungkulin ng Kamara at ng Senado. The House initiates, the Senate decides. I will repeat. The House initiates, the Senate decides. Under the Constitution, the House has the exclusive power to initiate all cases of impeachment. Ang papel natin ay suriin at alamin kung may